The Federal Reserve: Secrets and Influence of America's Central Bank. The Federal Reserve System, commonly known as the Fed, is the central bank of the United States. Established in 1913, it was created in response to a series of financial crises that highlighted the need for centralized financial oversight. The origins of the Federal Reserve. The Fed was born out of the Panic of 1907, a financial crisis that exposed the vulnerabilities of the U.S. banking system and the need for a lender of last resort. In 1913, President Woodrow Wilson signed the Federal Reserve Act into law, leading to the creation of the Federal Reserve Board of Governors, 12 regional Federal Reserve banks, and the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, which is responsible for monetary policy. The system was designed to provide financial stability, regulate banks, and ensure smooth economic growth through effective monetary policy. Intriguing facts and little-known stories. 1. Independence from the government. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Federal Reserve is its unique structure. Although it was established by Congress, it operates independently of direct government control. The Fed's decisions on interest rates and monetary policy are made without interference from the White House or Congress, ensuring its autonomy. However, this independence has sparked debates about accountability and transparency. Control over the economy. The Fed wields immense power in shaping the U.S. and global economy. By adjusting interest rates and controlling the money supply, it influences inflation, employment, and economic growth. Decisions made by the Fed have ripple effects across stock markets, real estate, and consumer spending. For example, a simple announcement by the Fed chair can cause fluctuations in global financial markets. 3. Conspiracy theories and ownership. Throughout history, the Fed has been the subject of numerous conspiracy theories. Some believe it is not a government institution, but rather controlled by a handful of wealthy banking families, such as the Rothschilds and Rockefellers. Despite these claims, the Fed asserts that it operates in the public interest and that its member banks hold no ownership stake in it. 4. The 2008 financial crisis. During the 2008 global financial crisis, the Fed played a critical role in stabilizing the economy. It injected trillions of dollars into the banking system through emergency lending programs, quantitative easing, and lowering interest rates to near zero. These actions prevented a total economic collapse, but critics argue they also contributed to long-term inflation and wealth inequality. 5. Tensions with U.S. presidents. The Fed's independence has led to frequent tensions with various U.S. presidents. From Franklin D. Roosevelt to Donald Trump, many presidents have sought to influence its decisions to align with their economic agendas. Trump, for example, repeatedly criticized the Fed for not lowering interest rates fast enough, while former chair Paul Volcker faced opposition from Ronald Reagan due to his aggressive inflation-fighting policies in the 1980s. 6. Gold and the Federal Reserve. Many people are unaware that the Federal Reserve played a significant role in the U.S. abandoning the gold standard. In 1971, under President Richard Nixon, the U.S. dollar was fully decoupled from gold reserves, allowing the Fed to manage monetary policy more flexibly, but also contributing to inflationary concerns over the decades. 7. Digital currency in the future. In recent years, the Federal Reserve has been exploring the concept of a central bank digital currency, CBDC. A digital dollar could revolutionize the financial system by providing faster transactions and increasing financial inclusion, but it also raises concerns about privacy and government overreach. In conclusion, the Federal Reserve remains one of the most powerful institutions in the world, playing a crucial role in maintaining economic stability while being surrounded by mystery, controversy, and speculation. Whether viewed as a stabilizing force or a symbol of elite control, its influence on global markets is undeniable. We invite you to like